How can you sleep when you want something that bad? ऐसा लग रहा था कि सिर्फ इंडियन शूटिंग मेडल नहीं लेके आई है, बाकी हर किसी के पास मेडल है. All the events we were attending win medals for India. We would be super happy providing that, having that Indian flag in Paris being the center of the podium.
World number one, world champion, CWG medalist until Tokyo Olympics 2020. Brought herself together only to be left at the sidelines when the Asian Games and World Cup came along. With Anjum Modgil, India's constant shooter in 50-meter rifle, will step on to shoot on August 1. It will be a flashback of a career that has seen it all. From being the world's best to being left out of the Indian squad, it is an impeccable journey of a comeback and path to a medal in Paris.
Yeah, I mean, life is a journey. So if you just end it in Olympics, ऐसे करके, then what will you be really working on post that? So of course, it's a journey, and I've been the biggest believer of focusing and enjoying the process and the journey rather than just focusing on the end goal. I did that for 1 year, focusing just on the quota, and spoiled everything I had, my mind especially. I had to work on my mental health so much. I was not there at my home and I was not there in shooting. It was a task. Being there, India number one in jab Asian Games honi thi, and then suddenly the games got postponed by 1 year and I was not in the team. And I wanted to be there in Paris. I think that was the end goal for me, to win in Paris. So I think that pressure put me down in 2023, but somewhere that really helped me to become stronger. And yeah, so here I am, qualified for Paris. But as athletes, we give 100%. Like, at least if I could talk about my shooting, I was very happy the way I carried my mental, physical, and technical, being in Tokyo, and I was happy with the way I could. The pressure, the Olympic pressure, I could manage it pretty well, and I was happy that I could give my best. I missed out the finals by 3 points. Yeah, that was a setback because it was very near. But then the criticism that came after Tokyo, through people, through media, through so many other sources, I think that was something that really broke a lot of shooters mentally, because you do well. That's the athletes, what we work for, to do well and to get better. But it's only measured through medals. And we could see that, ऐसा लग रहा था कि सिर्फ इंडियन शूटिंग मेडल नहीं लेके आई है, बाकी हर किसी के पास मेडल है. All the events we were attending. But I think, yeah, that's literally past now. I feel it's a much easier than Tokyo, I would say, because we know what is happening. But during Tokyo, we didn't know what's happening. Every day we were worried we'll test positive, because every day at 5 we had to give our samples. We weren't sure that we'll be able to shoot a match. So I think वो जो एकदम confirm चीज़ नहीं होती है ना, so that's when you can't really focus on just one thing. Because of COVID, there were many different things that happened. There were many competition we couldn't play because they were cancelled. Then Olympics got postponed by 1 year. And having that peak again, taking a break, not being able to train, I think there were many factors that affected. But going to Paris, we have already been to that shooting range. This time, the kids are younger. The hunger is there, and I think, yeah, we can expect some great results. For me, finding myself was very important post Tokyo, and the last year when I didn't make it to the World Championship and the Asian Games team. I used that opportunity to really work on myself. Like, once you're part of the team, it's very difficult to really train alone, go somewhere alone, out of the country and train. But for me, that was the best time, not making it to the team, that I went to Hungary, to Budapest, to train on my own. Then I went to Rio to play a competition there on my own, not without the coaches. So I think that really helped me rediscover myself. And then I started painting. The whole year when I was wanting the quota, wanting to be in the team, I wasn't painting. I was just into shooting, and that doesn't help me. For me, shooting done, switch off, and then just paint, be with the family. I have to have something outside shooting, and that's my secret. Nobindra sir also and many other Olympians. And how can you sleep? The one night prior to your match. I know many people don't, and even I couldn't before my last match. It was another level pressure, I would say. It was a big task for me and for myself to qualify. So I had this, how can you sleep when you want something that bad? But I think in Tokyo, I was very happy with my preparation, that I did what I wanted to for my preparation, and that gave me satisfaction to sleep. So I was able to sleep and do well. This time, I think I would want that same confidence that I've done. I've been through so much now till Paris, and I've been calm. I've been introvert, but now I'm confident and patient and calm. So that confidence has risen, but at the same time, I know my limits and what I want and what I have to stay in to be my best. 95 से पहले के लोगों से आप बात करोगे, we feel this generation that is like born in 2000s and above, उनको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता किसी से, उनको जो करना है वो करना है. So I think that's their strong point, and the confidence they have, उनको जो मतलब literally I think that is their main thing they are going with, and that can help me. And I'll be taking all the positive things from the team, and then we'll be training together, doing our best, and hopefully everyone will give their best the games. I think expectations है, कोई भी किसी से भी रख सकता है. For as an athlete, as any sports person, our job is to work on ourselves, our expectations, not expectations, our goals, I would say. बाकियों की क्या expectations हैं, वो खुद बनाते हैं, उनकी खुद टूटती है या खुद परेशान होते हैं, वो उनका ही काम है. So हमारा काम literally filter out करना होता है वो news और ये सब. So I think let people expect, they are from our country, they want medals, we want medals for them. But I think the last thing we as athletes can do is just work on ourselves, the things that are under our control, and win medals for India. We would be super happy providing that, having that Indian flag in Paris be in the center